This is Mama with Hartley's Homesteading Journey. We have a storm coming through, and as we got prepared, that made me think of all of you and wondering, are you prepared? So today I'm going to do this little video to see how prepared you are, or you might be. So since many of you are amputees or disabled that follow my channel, I wanted to go through some of the basic stuff of what you need or what maybe you considered. First, have you prepared at all? Do you have your important papers and things like that put away safely? Do you have medications that you need, at least a 3-day supply? Your crutches, wheelchair, or if you are in a wheelchair, how you're going to get out. If you're in crutches, what's going to happen once it gets slippery or wet? Do you have oxygen, band-aids, different stuff that you might need in case of an emergency? So today I have Aragon here to help me, and we will quickly go through what I have in hand at all times. This is just my basic kit and what I keep with me. The stuff here is what I keep in my purse. It's a little battery outlet, my medication for the day, my herbs, vitamins, a gel that is pain relief, my wrench and socket for my leg, which goes here. Each of you will have different aids that you need, which this is just our bag that we know we can grab very quickly. But hopefully by now you've thought about also, besides medical, do you have food and water? If you need to evacuate, if you're going to have pets, what are the pets going to do? What are they going to evacuate? Now, we do not evacuate. We stay put. We've prepared all day for the storm that's supposed to hit tonight. Hopefully in your area you're preparing for anything that might happen or come your way. But very basic, this is what I have in my supply kit. Excuse me, little Aragon. Okay, just to grab and go. All right, buddy. Oh! So just our grab and go kit. Here we go. As you can see, the betadine, some aloe lotion, and some tape doesn't fit, but we keep it right beside it to go. We also have alcohol, an inhaler if you have issues. One of our kids have issues. Now we keep a phone charger, which in here, he can't stop the interruptions from the teenagers. We have some Gutsy Chewy stuff, which the brand doesn't matter. They're basically Tums. We have some gloves. I'm telling you, it's like Mary Poppins' purse in here. The Bacitracin. Some Benadryl, that's good for bites and swelling and all kinds of good stuff right here. Itch stopping cream. The Bacitracin is just a first aid antibiotic that you can throw on cuts and scrapes. The betadine you can use for all kinds of stuff. It kills germs, cuts, burns, scrapes, minor skin wounds, and primary hospital antiseptic. It says right there. Oh, the aloe is going to come out. Easy. Alright, so if you have teenage girls or women or young girls that you're going to need some tampons. A Band-Aid. Okay, this is our emergency fire starter. And inside, can you hold the camera, please? Go. Here we have the emergency fire starter, which inside it is the flint, a little chamber to keep stuff in, right here. The dogs and everything. Everybody's got to be in this show. No, I'm not very organized. Like I said, it's like Mary Poppins' purse. So we have some more Aspercreme and lidocaine. It numbs away the pain. It'll hurt, especially if you have kiddos. It desensitizes, fast acting, penetrating, blah, 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 blah. Which it doesn't matter the brand, but I like to keep something with lidocaine. Another little thing of the gel, which we don't need. Polysporin, same thing as Bacitration. Some tweezers. Another glove. I keep some cotton balls, just in case we need to apply anything, because once we apply it, we want to make sure that it's sterile for the next person. So anybody that opens any of it first has to use a cotton ball and then applies it to their skins. Guys, if you have children or teenagers or even a husband or wife, you want to make sure they're applying and putting it on something not to touch theirs. We don't want to spread anything that can be kept from spreading, obviously. Another tampon. Okay. Icy hot pain relief gel of another sort. It seems a bit redundant, I know. Probably why it's never ending. We have some Tussin DM to help with colds and whatnot. It's an expectorant, help cough it up. I have some soap here. It also, nope, ha, surprise. This is the sunscreen bars. Have 2 bars of sunscreen, which probably wouldn't take up as much room if I took it out of the box. Cortisone 10 for poison ivy. It's got a number of uses. It has hydrocortisone. It's also anti-itch. It helps skin irritations, inflammations, rashes, eczema, psoriasis, poison ivy, poison oak, external and genital itching. All kinds of uses there, guys. Another tampon. So, I have various sizes of Band-Aids. And another box of tampons. Big surprise. Yes, we have a lot of girls in the family. 4 girls. And me. Imitrol for stomachs. Those tummy aches when you can't stop throwing up. It's good to have Imitrol. Especially if you have younger ones. Or a husband that gets sick easily. More various size of Band-Aids. Now, a lot of these are waterproof. Some are for different reasons. For different kinds of bandages. And alcohol. More alcohol pads. And more tampons. Okay. Now that's not it. I have a whole nother thing here. But you see where this is going. Preparedness. A cord for that phone outlet. Just in case. Now if your electric's going on, that won't help. Again, that's why I have these little battery charger things. But more it upsets tummies. Kind of Pepto-Bismol type of thing here. Daytime flu medicine. Antacid medicine. Heartburn, again, like the Tums and whatnot, and Zantac, just another one. Biofreeze, another gel to rub on. A whole sleeve of the daytime flu medicine. A couple more gloves. Allergy medicine. This can be good for allergies. It can also be used as PMs. I am not a doctor in any way. I do not suggest anybody take anything that they should not take. Everybody, let's be smart about it. I'm just showing you what personally works for our family, what we keep handy to stay prepared. This is just one bag, guys. I have a whole kit in the other room. Carmex lip stuff. Couple more little heartburn relief, guys, to go in water. A Tums. Another inhaler in case the first one doesn't work. Do you have children or adults?
Go.
We have animals out of control. Everybody's got to say something. So, if you have kids that need, or spouses, or yourself that needs inhalers, you might want to pack another one if it's a life-saving device. Or if you have the machine that does so, if the electric doesn't work, what are you going to use? So, we keep a backup. Another flint has a little compass on here as well, which probably won't need more than one, but you never know. Some diarrhea medicine, some more Zantac, some nighttime cold and flu, and then I have a forever match. If it's gonna match, I don't know. We'll see if it lights up. Guys, my point here is just to be safe and be prepared. No, cheater I have there. Keep one in my purse too. So now you can see my mess, which it is a mess, but like I said, this is just our to-go bag. This is the first bag that we grab in an emergency. This is what we need, what our family personally needs. So what does your family need, and are you prepared? Amy with Hartley's Homesteading. Everybody be safe, get your preparations in order, and stay blessed.